Seminar proposal in Group 1, Enhancing a Sustainable Agriculture and the Role of Organic Fertilizer.
The role of organic fertilizers. The potential of organic farming method to evaluate the health and environmental issues related to conventional agriculture has drawn a lot of attention in recent years. The key to success of organic farming is the use of organic fertilizers, which provide crops with essential nutrients while improving soil health and reducing reliance of artificial chemicals. These seminars will enable the experts to transfer technology to the beneficiaries. Select faculty of the College of Forestry, Agriculture, and Aquatic Science, or CIFAAS, of NEMSO Tagbina Campus to teach farmers about organic farming. The goal is to replace outdated ideas with modern and effective techniques.
First, provide knowledge about sustainable agricultural practices. Second, explore organic farming practices. Third, examine type of organic fertilizers.
Materials, sound system, project and laptop, tarpaulin and certificates and tokens.
The project description. First, the project will be spearheaded by the third-year batch student of NIMSO together with the official of Barangay Santa Maria. Second is the one-day seminar will be the collaboration with the farmers of Barangay Santa Maria.
IMSO counterpart. Item number 1. Legal and A4 bond paper. Unit of issue. WIN. Quantity 1. Philippine peso per unit 250. Total 250. Item number 2. Organic farming brochure. Unit of issue. Pieces. Quantity 40. Philippine peso per unit 25. Total 900. Item number 3. Shirt and logo. Unit of issue. Pieces. Quantity 20. Philippine peso per unit 150. Total 3,000. Item number 4. Oil, special gasoline. Unit of issue liters. Quantity 5. Philippine peso per unit 75. Total 370. Total 4,525. Target output 50 farmers of Barangay Santa Maria, Tagbina, Surigao del Sur.
Budgetary requirements. Agriculture students of NEMSO Tagbina Campus. As we can see here, the number, the item, unit, quantity, PHP or unit, and total. So first is